I guess another way you can do it is remove the doorknob, but because I'm leaving this up, I'm just taping around the doorknob and I'm taping around the borders and the hinges because I do not want that to have paint on it. So on camera, it looks blue, but in person, it's looking blue-green. So hopefully, when it dries, it looks like a different color. Um, yeah, and I've added more masking tape to the side door here, and yeah, so added masking tape here, but need to add masking tape here. Excuse my hands, I did not put on gloves, so left them at my apartment. But yeah, this is how it's looking so far. So that should look a little bit better. So this is what it's looking like. So after it's dry, I'm going to go in and remove the blue tape around the perimeter and see what it looks like tomorrow. Okay, so I finished painting the door, but turns out this is like more of a green I don't even know if you can see that. It's more of like a forest green than blue. And it was kind of making me upset. So I started sanding it down with this sander to just, you know, even out and remove some of the paint so that my new paint hopefully sticks a little better. So this is a new color I got as opposed to my last one, which did not have a swatch on it. So I had no idea what this color was going to be. Well, what it would look like on a wall. As opposed to this, I have a more clear indication of what it looks like. So they didn't do that last time. This is Valspar. I got it from Lowe's. Of course, it says Lowe's on there. This was a color Amalfi. A-M-A-L-I. Oh, no, sorry. A-M-A-L-F-I. And this is in the color Capri. So this is Capri, the light blue one. And then the one forest green, blue green that I have on the wall now is Amalfi. So hopefully this one looks better. I'm going to try just do a little test swab on this corner up here. And then I'm going to try to see if I can mix these two. So we'll see what I get. Okay, so I spoke too soon. Whoever, I guess, mixed this or set this didn't do it right because this is watery. And yeah. So I'm going to see what I can do with the old paint. Hopefully it mixes well.
But it's too watery.
Yep. So let's see how this adheres. Let's see how this works. Oh yeah, that's so watery. I can't even blame all of that on her. So much better. This color is so much better. Just wish it was thicker, but I'm loving this color a lot more. Yeah. Let me see how it looks on camera. Yeah, I like it a lot more. This is so therapeutic. Like, I feel 10 times better looking at this than looking at that sickly. So we're back, day 2. I let it dry a little bit. I'm gonna go back in and of course finish the rest of the door. I didn't get time to finish it the first day, but I'm liking this blue a lot more than that foresty green color. Even though on camera it kind of looks like a dark blue. I'm liking the light blue a lot more because it's going to end up matching my rug. Okay, so I finished painting the door. So the lighter spots, of course, are the newer paint that I just put on. But the door is done. I might go over with the second coat tomorrow, but it is now a lighter blue and it's no more of that dark, ugly blue-green. This is the final product. All the tape is off. Got a lot of cleaning up to do, but I'm liking it. I like this color a lot more. Definitely need to touch up with some white paint in some areas, but this is the final product.